Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make this awesome disco ball pumpkin. So you're first going to start off by getting a white pumpkin. I would suggest white so it looks super clean, and you'll need some mirror disco tiles, which you can get from Amazon, and I shared in the link in the description. I'll list all of the materials below so that you can easily follow along. But basically you're just going to peel off the adhesive and start placing the tiles on your pumpkin. So there might be some easier ways to do this for sure. I kind of just started by sticking some down, and then I did this a little bit haphazardly. I would just place larger pieces whenever I could, and then later I will go back in and fill in the gaps. So you can see here I have filled most of my pumpkin, and now I'm going back through and placing a few more pieces just to fill it out, and it's starting to look more and more like a disco ball. Alright, so just as I mentioned earlier, I will go in with some smaller pieces and just fill them in whenever it's possible, and then I will start working towards the bottom part. For me, I didn't have to put as many down here because you can't actually see the base of the pumpkin, but do whatever works for your aesthetics. And now your pumpkin is ready to display.